Bergmann Impact 3D is an interactive 3D GIS modeling tool that allows planners to quickly visualize, analyze, and then share the impacts of a planning scenario. As an add-in to Esri's ArcGIS Pro application, the tool leverages an Esri 3D multi-patch basemap. When populated with existing conditions data, it's a powerful dataset for scenario analysis. Impact 3D allows a user to easily generate a 3D building in the basemap, setting parameters on how it will appear. We use ArcGIS Pro editing tools to draw the footprint, while Impact 3D calls CityEngine rules to set the number of stories and architectural style, and quickly report physical characteristics of square footage, floor area ratio, available parking, and parcel coverage. Using the 3D basemap as context, we can visualize the massing and its surroundings to understand how a future building will visually fit in the neighborhood. Here we'll turn on a 3D envelope that represents the zoning code to test the height and setback constraints. Once the massing is developed, we'll assign how the space will be used, selecting from a list of user-defined space types, each populated with specific impact measures. Impact 3D dynamically calculates the scenario building's user-defined impacts like traffic, parking, jobs, water, and population. Many planning scenarios involve multiple potential buildings. The Impact 3D reporting panel allows a user to report the combined impacts of many selected buildings. When the existing models are populated with baseline values, the scenario can be evaluated for total expected measures in the plan's study area. And since impacts are user-defined, we can report on multiple criteria. Impact 3D is highly configurable. Every community will have its own metrics on how different types of space perform. Using a simple lookup table, users can modify and add new space types. For example, there may be two condominium space types, one called suburban with more car impacts, and one called transit-oriented with lower car measures. Analyzing different space types allows for easy scenario comparison. A planning scenario can be evaluated for a number of community impacts. While traffic, parking, and wastewater are common, the add-in will support analysis of any user-defined impact. Using established measures for each space type, users can view how the proposed building will affect these project-specific criteria. Taxes, CO2, garbage, or even dogs are examples. Esri's ArcGIS platform allows for the easy publishing of your Impact 3D scenarios into web-based information products. Using ArcGIS Online, users can publish 3D content for use by stakeholders as web scenes and story maps. Using out-of-the-box ArcGIS Pro functionality, users can import a developer's 3D model to evaluate how it visually fits in the basemap, while also testing its criteria with Impact 3D. Talk to me, Eric Brady at Bergmann Associates, to learn more how Impact 3D can support your planning and development needs.